Presenting GIZGA Essentials iStuff 365 2-in-1 Laptop and Mobile Tabletop Stand. It is made of premium high-quality ABS, anti-skid silicone material which provides maximum protection. It increases airflow and dissipates heat quickly, thereby preventing the laptop from crashing due to overheating. Designed with 8 grooves for adjustment for the comfortable height. The solid structure makes it stronger, stable and supports a laptop without shaking, and it can hold weight up to 10 kilograms. This laptop stand features a smaller detachable holder for your mobile device. It fits all your laptops, iPads, tablets up to 15.6 inch. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.